back. It's time now for a slice of Cheryl, and it's brought to you courtesy these folks at TOSH Biscuits. So it's carnival time in Trinidad and Tobago. Chef Cheryl, welcome. And let's welcome Laura. Laura is very new to Trinidad and Tobago. She is here for about the last couple months, and she speaks very little English, but she can taste Cheryl's delights tonight. So TOSH Biscuits, we are in healthy mood. In Trinidad and Tobago around carnival time, everybody watch what they eat, how they eat, because they want to fit in to that costume on Carnival Monday and Tuesday. So everything in terms of food around carnival time, Cheryl, is geared towards healthy eating.
Yes.
TOSH Biscuits is a healthy biscuit, and it actually means TOSH, taste of something healthy. TOSH.
Yeah.
And they have an array of flavors.
Yes, they do.
Honey that I really like.
Yeah, and this honey has brand and honey. They have one with a 4 cereal, which has flaxseed and oats in it. They have some sandwich one with an orange mousse. So you have a wide variety to choose from.
But you're going to create something a little, you're not just going to have us eat TOSH biscuits tonight. You're creating something a little special with TOSH biscuits.
Well, you know, normally if we have these crackers, we'll say, okay, let's put some spread on it and have it. But there are a lot of different ways, you know, that I find that you could have it. So what I did, I sauteed some spinach in some pimento, onion, and garlic, right? Which I'm going to add into the bowl here. And some cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Right? And I boiled some egg. Because, you know, besides being on a healthy, we all want to have a lot of protein as well in there.
Eggs is protein.
Right.
Yeah.
So normally we know about stuffed eggs.
I was thinking that you're going down that road.
A little around
You're going down that road. Stuffed eggs, devil eggs, they call them sometimes. Yeah.
Right? And
so that's the egg yolks.
I scooped up the egg yolks. Now what I did, I mashed some of the honey TOSH. And I added it. Gonna add it in there because I want an extra body when I put it back into the eggs, right? And we mixed all of that together.
So the combination is an interesting combination. Spinach.
It's an interesting combination, right? I'll add just a touch of a little salt and a little black pepper, just for taste. So you see how it comes together? And I use the cream cheese instead of, let's say, mayo, because again, we go in a little more
healthier, leaner,
right?
Because you could have used mayonnaise there.
Right. But I also wanted another flavor profile inside of there. So that's why, you know, I use the cream cheese. So you see, we have a smooth paste. Now, as I said before, normally you will put it on crackers. You can put it just like this on a cracker, if you so choose.
So I can just take a little bit of this.
So you can just take a little bit.
Yeah.
Right? But I went a little further and I scooped them. So I'll just use 2 scoops here. I rolled it.
You're going back in the TOSH biscuits?
In the TOSH biscuits.
Right? And all you did for that TOSH biscuits is put it in a blender.
But you know the funny thing about it is that the biscuit is so tender. It's not really hard. That all I did, yes, you can use a blender, but I just put it in a Ziploc bag.
And crushed.
Use the palm of my hands.
And crushed.
And crushed it.
Wow.
That's how soft it is, right? So you could go again.
So, 1 spoonful.
1 spoonful.
And coat it back with the TOSH biscuit.
And coat it back with the TOSH biscuit. And then when we finish that, I have some here that I did. Rest it back into your eggs.
So these are devil eggs with a difference.
Devil eggs with a difference.
Healthy TOSH deviled eggs.
Yes.
Oh.
Right? And there you have it. And it's quick and easy. Now, if you don't like spinach, now what we use here is foreign spinach, but you can't add local spinach. You just have to make sure and blanch it a little bit, because you know some of them are a little bitter.
Yeah.
and cook it down.
Guys, that's what we do here on A Cup of Joe. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, ladies and gentlemen. We create recipes that you can go home and try, put your twist on it. Normally, you put mayonnaise and different twists and you get your nice creamy deviled eggs or stuffed eggs. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles, using a taste of something healthy, TOSH biscuits, she created these deviled eggs. Laura, I need you to have one and taste one for me. Yes? Cheers. Cheers. Yes.
I guess that's the English for very good.
It's very good. It's very good. Thank you, Laura. Thank you, Laura. We're coming back, guys. Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles.